Hey guys, we're back here at Wingman Garage for the community car build day number 3. Aaron, what do we got going on?
Okay, so we're gonna try and get as much done as we can tonight. I've got a few announcements. So tonight is lift build night. Thank you, Good Morning Mechanic, for sponsoring the lift for the CCV this year. Cannot thank Dan enough for that. So here's what we did. I had these two guys, Zach and Mitch over there. They came in and they were a huge help with getting the lift started for us. Some of the biggest issues I ran into with the community car build is just getting everything prepped and ready for us so that we actually have a successful night. And those two guys came in, we spent, was it 5 hours? 4 to 5 hours just getting the front lift on, old keys, a lot of heat, a lot of big sledgehammers. We ended up cutting the sway bar links off. I put brand new sway bar links back on it. We got the front suspension in, the keys are in, the front is lifted. You guys will see that at the end when we put it on the ground for the first time. So huge thanks to those guys. This car, the truck would definitely not be where it is today without their help. So the plan for today is actually pretty simple. We're gonna finish up the rear lift. We're gonna put some lift blocks in on the rear. We also, and I'm hoping Max shows up with the fender, I wanna get the front fenders back bolted on. We got, Zach, pick up one of those headlights. We got some awesome new headlights for the truck. Really cool DRLs. It's gonna really set off the whole look of it. And we're gonna do spacers to get the wheels out a little bit so that we can finally finish up the flares. A lot to get done. The one thing I'm a little bummed about is I waited till the very last second to leave my house today because the front bumper that I got, which is epic, big off-road front bumper, was supposed to be delivered yesterday. And it was supposed to be delivered today by noon. And then it said today by 7. And it said today by 9. And I pulled in here and I got out and it said it was delivered. So it's at my house right now. So I might send someone out to get that. We don't know. Or we might just focus on what we can get done today. And the next event, when we're doing the audio, we're just gonna do audio / a button up and get the front bumper on. That's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Anything that'd be cool? Sounds good to me. So that's pretty much it. We're just gonna dive in and we'll get it done today.
All right, let's get going.
It's gonna be the nicest piece of the whole thing.
Takes one to hold the bulb and four to spin the truck, right?
Yeah. Since we have factory fog light harnesses, I'm gonna actually get fog lights and put some big off-road lights there. Plug and play. And then we'll finish up the fenders, the flares on it, and she'll be ready to be given away.
All right, guys, that wraps it up for tonight. Aaron, what we accomplish tonight?
I'm gonna keep this quick. We got the rear lift on. We got the headlights installed. We made a few tweaks to everything. New shocks. It's the Darth Ranger's really coming together. Had so much help from everybody tonight, especially these two guys. I've dubbed Mitch here my Ranger guru. He has four Rangers. You can never have too many though.
Never have too many. Plus one.
There you go.
Right,
so tell them a little bit about your Ranger.
So
your channel, so people can follow you.
So I just made a YouTube channel. It's called Countryside Outlaws. The name's still in the works. We might change it to Only Rangers.
Only
honestly.
Rangers,
yeah.
you know, a little play there.
And then I have an Instagram. It's called FX4_level2. So
And you have a dually 7.3 swapped
compound turbo
Ranger. Ford Ranger.
Yep,
Okay.
and I pull with it, so it's pretty
Okay.
sweet.
All right. As always,
great.
huge thank you to Dan, Good Morning Mechanic, for sponsoring the lift build. The lift portion of the build this year. I can't thank you enough, man. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's absolutely our pleasure. Make sure check out Wingman Garage. Check out the videos like right here where we actually did the first. Check out the bike build videos. Check out Mitch's channel. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good morning.